A 2.4% drop in Ethereum is likely by March 19, according to CoinDataFlow. But first, here's a quick overview of the current price movement. At the moment, Ethereum is showing a 0.7% gain since yesterday and trades close to $2,339.23. Let's jump into analyst predictions now. Capital Collector gives a forecast of $2,362.86 by tomorrow, which would be 1.1% above today. Ethereum might move up to $2,339.22 according to Cryptonization. That's roughly 0.1% up. Digital coin price highlights the potential to move downward to $2,299.92, a projected fall of 1.6%. A different forecast by CoinDataFlow shows Ethereum could move down toward $2,280.66, a projected decrease close to 2.4%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions projects $2,167.13 by March 19, down by 7.3%. This one offers the best short-term payoff. Forecasts are done. Let's explore what comes next. Based on everything the analysts shared, here's the summary. Taking the whole picture into account, the price could shift anywhere from a decrease of 7.3% to a gain of 1.1%, depending on the analyst. It's clear that Crypto Predictions expects the highest return with 7.3% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these results, you could generate between $1 and $73 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, Cryptonization's forecast suggests the most probable outcome with a 95.8% chance of success. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. The combined forecasts position Ethereum at nearly $2,289.96. Let's get into the specifics. The consensus projection indicates a 2% drop in price. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 2% change. In terms of 1,000, the projection might equal $20 in potential gain, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 89.8%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. A bearish outlook is projected by Capital Collector, pointing to a decline. Additionally, Cryptonization signals weakness, pointing to a fall. Likewise, digital coin price emphasizes a downward trajectory. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow projects weaker prices ahead. Also, Crypto Predictions emphasizes selling pressure dominating. The consensus view outlines Ethereum on a declining track over the next 3 days. All forecasts align, pointing to Ethereum following a bearish short-term path. Bringing together the forecasts, the majority anticipate Ethereum softening. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. Ultimately, the final price landed near $2,317.43. As we can see, only one forecast captured the correct direction. 30 rates stood out with the sharpest prediction. Time to spell it out. Every forecast missed the daily limits completely. When it comes to ROI, just one forecast reached 3.2% in gains. And now comes the recap, all forecasts compared side by side. As for CoinCodex, the data shows minus 3.2% ROI and $164.15 accuracy. See which forecasts matched the market movement most precisely. Now we'll look at the forecasted returns for tomorrow and where Ethereum fits among other cryptos. Forecast comparison places Ethereum fifth, as Zcash stays at the top with 6.1%. For now, we're comparing Ethereum with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full comparison across a larger group, including detailed analyst results, will be added later to my website and Telegram. If this helped you see Ethereum's outlook more clearly, please like the video before you go. See you in the next comparison.